Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Bullbit PERP DEX token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Bullbit is a perpetual futures decentralized exchange DEX built on base on Ethereum layer 2 network. The platform allows user to trade perpetual contracts using central limit order book model. Bullbit architecture combines on-chain self-custody with an account system designed to reduce the technical friction typically associated with decentralized applications. Additionally, products within the Bullbit ecosystem include Bullbit Vault, a liquidity provisioning product, and Bullbit Keycard, a physical card tied to the smart wallet. The project technical roadmap plans a transition from its current app rollup deployment on base to purpose bullchain referred to as bullchain. Bullbit PERP DEX token total supply is 4 billion and circulating supply is not showing yet. Bullbit PERP DEX token total supply is 4 billion and circulating supply is not showing yet. Bullbit PERP DEX token is listed on BingX, Lbank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.